this is Jackie Williams. I wanted to share with you a few of the perks and benefits of Celebration so you're sure to not miss out on anything. So, what is Celebration? Celebration is one of the biggest sales that Stampin' Up! Does every year. And this year it will run from 7th of January to the 28th of February. So, not quite 2 months. And in the sale, there are benefits to both shoppers and to new team members. The Celebration gifts or free product are in a separate Celebration brochure if you have the hard copies, or if you don't, you can see them in my online store. And I have the URL there on the screen so you can check them out. Now, let's first talk about shoppers. So every purchase of 125 New Zealand dollars receives a free Celebration gift. Now there are 2 levels of gifts. Most of them are level 1, which is free with $125 spend, but there are 2 of them that are a level 2, which requires a $250 spend or counts as 2 gifts, whichever way makes more sense to you. Now, these Celebration gifts are in addition to the standard Stampin' rewards that you are already used to. Celebration gifts cannot be purchased. They must be earned and redeemed by purchasing. For example, an order of $250 would receive 1 level 2 gift, or you could select 2 level 1 gifts. And now an order of $300 would receive the same Celebration gifts as above, but because it's over the $300 threshold, it would also receive 10% to spend in Stampin' rewards. So you'd receive 2 level 1 Celebration gifts and $30 to spend. So it's really a good deal. I made up this little chart, which I'm happy to send to you separately if you would like, that shows on the left-hand side your order total before shipping. And you can see how many Celebration gifts that you can select according to your spend. And then on the far right-hand column, you see how much you'd also receive in Stampin' rewards money. I highlighted in green the spots where I think you're getting the most value for your money. And of course, I didn't put in every single increment, but this gives you a general idea of where the sweet spots are and what you would receive if you ticked a few things off of your wish list during the Celebration period. The second part of Celebration is joining my Stampin' Up! Team. Now, there are 2 options for brand new team members who join during the Celebration period this year. The first option is you can join for $189 and select $285 in product. Now, this is the normal standard joining offer. You can join for $189 and select $285 in product anytime throughout the year. But during Celebration, you can also select 2 Stampin' Right marker color families, which is each a pack of 10, so it would be 20 markers in total. And you can choose from the brights, regals, subtles, or neutrals, so 2 of those 4 options. Plus, you'll receive the Handmade Designs stamp set, and I'll show you a picture of that on the next screen. Or the second option is you can join for $189 and select 342 in product of your choice. So this is possibly a good option if you already have all of the markers and you just want to select some different product to put into your starter kit. Now, there are many, many benefits to being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and joining my team. I won't go into all of them in this video, but you can check them out using this link, stamphappy.co.nz/join the fun, and just check it out and see if joining my team is right for you at this time. And then here's a picture of the Handmade Design stamp set. And I apologize, I just see that typo now. I get asked every year, so just wanted to include that the starter kit does not earn Celebration gifts, but orders placed through your account after you join will, provided those orders are placed during the Celebration period, so before 28th of February. And that's everything. But if I have left anything out or was unclear, or if you have any other questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon. This is Jackie. Bye, everyone.